This is the 1080p Nanny cam unboxing. Including package is one Nanny cam. User manual, mini CD, and USB cable. Here we have the on-off switch, which is turn device on-off, USB port, connect with USB cable, and SD card slot. Insert SD card into port. EMR shows how to install the SD card. It does have very limited space, so just press down. Here I'm going to quickly go through the setup and settings. One thing you're going to want to do to make sure you connect to it, the mini hidden camera, is go through your Wi-Fi and you look for the UID and you connect to it, and then later you'll be able to access it through the app just through your regular router. Here's some live footage. So you can tell it's extremely clear, 1080p. And here's some footage showing that it doesn't need to be connected. Pretty much you just charge it. It has an internal battery. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.